Amatory. Elevate your IELTS vocabulary with this romantic turn. Love and romance have inspired countless works of art, literature, and music throughout history. But how can we describe something as related to love in a more sophisticated way? Today, we're exploring the word amatory, an advanced vocabulary term that will elevate your language skills for the IELTS exam and beyond. Word type. Amatory is an adjective. It's pronounced ma, tau, ri, with the stress on the first syllable. Meaning, amatory refers to something relating to or expressing sexual love or desire. It describes things that are romantic, amorous, or pertaining to love affairs. This word is particularly useful in academic or literary contexts, making it an excellent addition to your IELTS vocabulary arsenal. Word history. The term amatory has its roots in Latin. It comes from the Latin word amatorius, which means of a lover or relating to love. This, in turn, is derived from the verb amare, meaning to love. The word entered the English language in the early 17th century and has since been used in various literary and poetic contexts. Antonyms. Some antonyms for amatory include platonic, unfriendly, and hostile. These words represent the opposite of the romantic or loving nature that amatory embodies. Synonyms. Synonyms for amatory include amorous, romantic, passionate, and erotic. While these words are similar, amatory often carries a more formal or literary connotation. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some examples of how to use amatory in sentences. The poet's amatory verses were celebrated for their passionate and evocative imagery. The film critic praised the director's ability to create an amatory atmosphere without resorting to explicit scenes. In her dissertation on Renaissance literature, she focused on the amatory themes prevalent in sonnets of the period. The museum's new exhibition showcased amatory art from various cultures and historical periods. Common errors in use. When using the word amatory, it's important to remember that it specifically relates to romantic or sexual love. A common mistake is to use it in contexts where a more general term for love or affection would be appropriate. For instance, it would be incorrect to describe a mother's love for her child as amatory. Additionally, be cautious not to confuse amatory with amateur, which has a completely different meaning. To wrap up, amatory is a sophisticated adjective that describes things relating to or expressing sexual love or desire. Its Latin roots and literary associations make it a powerful word to use in your IELTS writing and speaking tasks, particularly when discussing themes of love in literature, art, or culture. By incorporating amatory into your vocabulary, you'll demonstrate a nuanced understanding of language that's characteristic of band score 8.0 and above.